Morning everyone. My name is Manish Yadav and today I am going to speak on the topic should the government grant loan waiver or not. I believe government should not grant loan waiver. I will present my reasons and my views on this subject. The first reason I believe is that as we see the timing of these loans. So this is something we notice that these loans are generally and mostly given during the time just before the elections. So these are a uh, kind of a rishwat given to the people. And the sec- next thing, this helps the party in the power. So this gives them an unfair advantage over the others. The next thing is second thing is the fiscal burden on the government. As we see, the recently Maharashtra government gave a loan waiver of 35,000 in March and in March 2026, and this is the third time in a decade when the government has given such kind of farm loan waiver. And that and if we see the total farm loan waivers given in the last 35 years, that counts to 3 lakh crore rupees without inflation, and that is without counting the inflation. And so if we see how much uh, money is spent on these kind of loan waivers instead of the expenditure, this is a blatant mistake. This is a blunder we are making, and RBI has warned against these kind of freebies given to the people. But an argument comes that it prevents lives of many people, who are trapped in the who are uh, trapped in the debt cycle, in the vicious cycle of debt. But I agree with that, but the major point here is that the beneficiaries of these kind of schemes are the people who are majorly integrated into the formal banking system. And as we see, not much the poorest of the poor are not really integrated in this system. They still depends on the money lenders, so their loans are not they their loans are not waived, and the poorest of the poor, they are not much affected by these schemes, they are not much benefited. But the political parties take the political all the advantage. And it also gave a lot of non-performing assets to the bank, and it makes lot of bad loans also, because the banks will as more of these kind of things will happen, more people will think, okay, one day before election government will just cancel their loans, means just government will write off their loans, so they don't pay. And this will cause an issue of trust between farmers and banks. Banks will think twice before giving a loan to a farmer. So that is the main problem that will cause an issue of trust between farmers and banks. So that's why these things should be discouraged. And one more reason is that 35,000 crores that Maharashtra government gave to farmers, if it spends on the capital expenditure, on the capital infrastructure like irrigation, like building canals, solar panels, like developing new technologies, investing in agricultural studies, then it can get much more value in the future, rather than distributing money as freebies just for election gain. So we as the youth of the people must understand that this is in the interest of our country, that in interest of ours, that we should understand that we should not vote for the freebies politics. We must uh, see that what can work for us, what will be good for our future. uh, that's all. Thank you and have a wonderful day.